Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about fat cutter drink for extreme weight loss. So if you want to reduce weight and keep in shape in a healthy way, just keep on watching. Once again. First thing we need is our ginger. I'll just peel off the back of the ginger. Ginger is very effective when it comes to belly fat burning. It's a natural herb. Ginger promotes digestion, treats digestive problems, and facilitates the absorption of fat in the body. There's a lot of benefits, guys, in ginger. I'll just cut it. I'll add it straight to the plate. So the next we have here is our cucumber. Just cut cucumber. Cucumber is high in nutrients and antioxidants but low in calories. Cucumber helps detoxify the body. It improves digestion and relieves constipation. Cucumber contains 100% of water. So guys, I'm making use of one cucumber. I'll just add it straight to the plate. I'll set it aside. Next thing we have here is our lemon. I'll just peel off the back of the lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and antioxidants which are useful in burning belly fat. Lemon increases the feeling of fullness for a long time without adding calories to the body. I'll just cut it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Add it straight to the plate. Add my lemon and ginger. Then I'll add my cucumber. Now add 1 liter of water. I'll cover. So I will strain it with my strainer. If you know you can take the ginger without any problem, you can go ahead and just take it as a smoothie. But if you can't, you can just do it the way I'm doing it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share the video to your friends and to your loved ones. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please keep on watching. There is one more thing I'm gonna add to it, okay? Please like. So right now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now I'll just mix everything together. Apple cider vinegar in this will make you to feel full, and when you are full you will not think of eating any other thing. By doing that you'll be shedding a lot of weight. Straight to the cup. I'm separating the foam from the drink. You can go ahead and leave your own. This is a super drink that you cannot go wrong with. All the things I use in this recipe is something that we consume every day at home, so there is no chemical in it. This is a natural super way to just reduce that belly fat and keep in shape. So this drink will help you to lose belly fat super fast at home. All the ingredients in this recipe promotes weight loss and drinking it will increase fat burning, reduce fat storage, reduce appetite, and improve metabolism. This drink works so well. If you want to drink it, make sure you're at home. Please guys, make sure you're at home when you want to drink this, because we don't want any embarrassment. It will just take you straight to the restroom and take off all the toxins in your body and just keep you in shape. Here comes the end of the video. Hope you guys love it, hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, I've got to tell you guys how to drink it. Make sure you drink it in the morning. If you want it to work so fast for you, drink it in the morning and drink it at night before bed. Okay, when I walk, it works so well. It's a magic drink, you can never go wrong with. Bye guys, see you guys in the next video.